Good morning. This is to all my South African friends that asked that I must do it in English, and also to my Australian friends. How's it, my mate? And then also to the people there in Texas and in Dallas and in America, the Cowboys. Howdy, how are you today? So guys, yeah, my impressions is not that good, but yeah, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Legacy Builders program that I'm busy with. It's a program that I bought. It's a business, so I'm the CEO of my own business. And if this doesn't work, I'm gonna teach you guys how to braai properly, not barbecue like you guys are doing. Braai. You see there, if I can show with my finger, there's a gas bottle, but that is only to start your braai. We don't braai with gas. We braai with charcoal or wood, nothing else. Okay guys, enough about the braaiing. But Capital Legacy Legacy Builders program, sorry, keep on changing my name there. Okay, what it is you buy a product, you can say you buy a course that teaches you how to do digital marketing. Digital marketing is selling things on internet. So it's going to help you to design your own website. It's a step-by-step guide how to design your own website. And it's interesting. Anybody can do it. It's a video tutorial that goes through and tells you every step that you have to do. Step by step, it tells you how to set up your own website. A little bit confusing sometimes if you lose where you are. Not really confusing, but there is a lot of help around. There is a WhatsApp group that you can chat where you, especially the technical stuff. I'm 51 years old, born before computers, BC, and I done my own. So, and then are we all willing to help as well? That is why we are a community. That is when you start with this thing, you go through all of this training. The training helps you how to communicate with people on the internet, how to set up videos on TikTok. Yeah, not all of us know anything about TikTok. And then Instagram, Facebook posts, all of those things. I'm not here to steal your money. You buy a business from me, depends on what level you want to buy in. There is different levels that you can buy in, and you can grow. If I sell the product to you, it's yours. You sell it again, and I don't make money again after that. If I sell the product to you, I'm done with you. I can help you. I'll be your mentor. I can assist you on how to set your things up, and then I'm done. It's not a pyramid scheme or whatever they call it, where you need to get people under you and I get a lot of money on top. It's not like that. I've got the product, I bought it, I've got the blueprint, and then I'm selling that blueprint again. That's all it is. It's a product that I have on computer, and I teach you how it works. So it's a boxy full of knowledge that you can get. Okay, that is me, Peter, out.